Welcome to Pranab Digital Gurukul. Today, we are diving into a hot topic: what artificial intelligence company should you invest in? AI is the future, and investing in the right company can open doors to massive opportunities. Before we begin, let me clarify, I'm not a financial advisor. This video is for educational purposes only. I am Pranab Kishore Praharaj from Pranab Digital Gurukul. Always research or consult a financial expert before making any investment decisions. What is artificial intelligence? AI is a branch of technology that allows machines to think, learn, and solve problems like humans. It's used in everything from self-driving cars to healthcare, and its applications are growing daily. Why AI is a good investment? The AI industry is projected to grow significantly in the coming years. Companies using AI are leading innovation, which means investing in AI-focused businesses can offer great returns. Types of AI companies. Tech giants. These are the big players in the market, like Google, Amazon, and Microsoft. They are heavily investing in AI to improve their products and services. AI startups. Startups often focus on specific AI applications like healthcare AI or autonomous driving. These can be high risk but also high reward. Hardware companies. Companies like Nvidia and Intel make the hardware needed to power AI systems like advanced chips and GPUs. AI service providers. These companies offer AI-based tools and platforms for businesses, such as cloud AI services. Top AI companies to watch. Tech giants leading in AI. Google, Alphabet. Google's AI research division, DeepMind, is leading innovations in healthcare, energy efficiency, and natural language processing. Microsoft. Microsoft is focusing on AI integration in its cloud platform, Azure, and tools like ChatGPT with OpenAI collaboration. Amazon. Amazon uses AI for its e-commerce recommendations, AWS cloud platform, and Alexa. Hardware companies. Nvidia. Nvidia's GPUs are essential for AI training, making it one of the top companies to watch in AI hardware. AMD and Intel. Both are developing cutting-edge chips to compete in the AI market. AI startups. OpenAI. The company behind ChatGPT is a pioneer in natural language processing and AI innovation. UiPath. A leader in robotic process automation, RPA, UiPath is making AI accessible for automating repetitive tasks. Factors to consider before investing. Market position. Look at the company's market share and how competitive it is in its field. Financial health. Check the company's revenue, profits, and growth rate. Innovation. Is the company leading in research and development? Are they launching new AI solutions? Industry trends. Invest in companies aligned with growing sectors like healthcare, fintech, or autonomous vehicles. Partnerships and acquisitions. Big collaborations or recent acquisitions can indicate strong growth potential. Risks of investing in AI companies. Volatility. AI stocks can be unpredictable, especially startups. Competition. The AI market is crowded, so not every company will succeed. Regulation. Governments may introduce AI regulations, which could affect profits. Overvaluation. Some AI companies might be overpriced based on market hype. The future of AI investments. Long-term potential. AI is not just a trend, it's the future. Companies investing in AI now are likely to shape the world of tomorrow. Emerging technologies. Keep an eye on developments in quantum computing, ethical AI, and AI-powered automation. Final thoughts. AI is transforming every industry, and investing in the right companies can be highly rewarding. Whether it's tech giants, startups, or hardware providers, there are plenty of opportunities in this space. Which AI companies are you most excited about? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more videos on AI and tech investments.